So this is our living space where this is where you get your L-shaped granite platform, very luxurious and spacious third bedroom, which is the master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesh, and in today's video I am going to give you the sample flat tour of Vardhaman the 44, which is located near Bhujbal Chowk, Bhujbal, Basti, Wakad, Pune, and is developed by Vardhaman Spaces. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the sales office of the project, and in front of the sales office you get Hinjewadi Road, जो राइट साइड से आपको कनेक्ट करता है वाकड से, और लेफ्ट साइड से कनेक्ट करता है आपको हिंजवड़ी से. But before I show you the sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing, and hassle-free home buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me give you the project's overview with the help of project's 3D model. This project will be constructed on 5.3 acre of land parcel with 4 towers, having 2 basement plus ground plus 6 podiums plus 38 floors, in which you will be getting 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now, let me tell you about the location of this project. This project is located near Bhujbal Chowk, Bhujbal Basti, Wakad, Pune, जिसकी कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है भुजबल चौक, which is 290 meters away, Mumbai Bangalore highway, which is 300 meters away, and Zion Mall, which is 1.4 kilometers away. Now, let me tell you about the amenities this project provides you with the help of project's 3D model. This project has 31 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, basketball court, multi-purpose court, kids play area, open garden, gym, and many more. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of a 3 BHK sample flat which has 1189 square feet carpet area. So this is your entrance, where just at the entrance you get a video door phone and a digital door lock to your door for security purposes. So this is your entrance's lobby where you can set up your shoe rack or decorative items. Now let us check out our living and dining space. So this is our living space, where this is where you get your couch setup space, and this is where you get your TV unit setup space. You also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings, and is 3-side cover. Now let us check out our dining space. So this is a very beautiful dining space where you can set up your dining table and enjoy lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let me show you the kitchen of this flat. So this is our kitchen, where this is where you get your L-shaped granite platform with a sink attached to it, and you also get a dry balcony attached to it with a sink, and where you can set up your washing machine and utilities, and you also get a window attached to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And this is where you get your refrigerator setup space. Now let us check out our first bedroom of the flat. But before I show you the first bedroom, let me tell you that you also get a common wash basin and a common washroom just before it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, and designer vitrified tiles. So this is your first bedroom. As you can see, you get a lot of walking space here, and this is where you get your bed setup space, and you also get an attached window to it for ventilation and natural lighting, and this is where you get your wardrobe setup space. Now let us check out our second bedroom of this flat. So this is our second bedroom. As you can see, it's very spacious and has a lot of walking space here. you get your bed setup space right here, and you get your wardrobe setup space right here. And just beside it, you also get a window attached to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And you also get a washroom attached to it. Which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. Now, before I show you the third bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this flat, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today through Housey. Now let us check out our master bedroom. But before I show you our bedroom, just at the entrance you get a walk-in wardrobe space and an attached master washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. So this is a very luxurious and spacious third bedroom, which is the master bedroom. As you can see, you get a lot of walking space. You get your bed setup space here. You also get a TV unit setup space right here. And that is not all. You also get an attached balcony to your master bedroom, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and is two-side cover. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Vardhaman the 44, which is located near Bhujbal Chowk, Bhujbal Basti, Wakad, Pune, and is developed by Vardhaman Spaces. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.